Hi everyone, this is Kang and I'm going to unbox this Galax Rtx 2060 one-click OC. Okay, let's open it now. Actually, it's already open. Okay, so we have here the box, and inside we have this quick start guide. Oh, quick installation guide. There. This Molex to PCIe, and we have here the GPU itself. Let's open this now. There you go! The Galax Rtx 2060 one-click OC is powered by the TU100-6200 Turing architecture processor that supports 1920 CUDA-cores with a base clock of 1695 MHz, overclockable up to 1710 MHz OC through the use of the Galaxy Stream Tuner Plus software and one-click OC. This graphics card has 192-bit 6GB GDDR6 memory with 336GB per second bandwidth running at 14 Gbps. The Galax Rtx 2060 one-click OC has two 90mm fans that helps cool down the unit along with two high-performance heat pipes, maintaining smooth airflow during prolonged gaming sessions. It has a minimum power supply requirement of 500 watt powered by one 8-pin PCIe power connector. And lastly, this graphics card consists of DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.0B, and dual-link DVI-T output connectors. Well, that's my unboxing of this Galax Rtx 2060 one-click OC. I hope you guys enjoy it. Until next time, bye!